What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today we're gonna run and check on Meech. Cause I see my boy Jesse done made some progress, man. They've been over there getting busy at Lawless, man. So we're gonna go check on Meech, man, see what's going on. I could have picked up the new ride today, but I ain't think today was gonna turn out like this, man. It's okay. I could have picked up the new ride, but it's why I have to go to get it. I ain't up to it right now. I ain't up to it, man. So we're gonna be moving some stuff around, man. Real simple. I need to get this. Then, man, I got a event coming up. I think about going to, but I don't know. I'm finna holler at Jesse too and see if we can schedule R&B to get the exhaust done. I have to get all this out the coat, man. See if I can schedule R&B, get the exhaust done, man, and we can get their remix done. I can't wait to hear how she gonna sound with that new exhaust setup. But we finna go check on Meech right now though. We finna check on Meech and make sure everything. Boy, I miss my boy right here, boy. Tell y'all no lie. I miss my boy right here. Cause boy, I cut the fool in this thing, man. This thing here a thoroughbred machine, man. This a real thoroughbred machine, man. And listen, while I'm at it, let me talk to y'all. Cause I think I'm gonna go ahead and have it so somebody can win this, which entry will be $100. It's $100. So I think that's what I'm gonna do with this. People had suggested it, but I ain't a fan of doing it, but I think I'm gonna do it. Have it so you can win John Jones. So if you will participate or you want to participate, comment below, man, cause I still need 250 entries. I got to have 250 entries, man. I know how many I got off Facebook, so if you will participate in that, make sure to let me know. But anyway, we're gonna get going, man. I talk more on it later when we get back. Let's go check on Meech. Alright, y'all see it over here at Lawless, man. Got the headers. They got the headers on, man. If y'all ain't see the process, go over to the Lawless Street Cars not Facebook, I'm saying my Facebook, YouTube page, man. Y'all go check it out. See them put these headers on here, but y'all see they look good on there too, boy. I'm ceramic coated. That one fit pretty good. It's a little close right there, but it fit. And then this one right here, y'all gotta go see what they had to do, but it's in there. It's in there. Y'all remember the first headers I had some, and they were huge too. But boy, I fought trying to get it in over here on this side, but they got it in. So I just want to make sure they work. When they got that done, cause if these didn't work, I would have had to send them back because I didn't get these from something. So that's a piece of mind right there, cause they, like I said, I'm an expensive piece, and I see they work now, so we good right there. They bolt up, everything cool. So yeah, man, y'all know, I'll give y'all a little step-by-step update. If you're in the BCG Hangout, you'll be getting more detailed, in-depth stuff, cause some stuff ain't gonna be shown. Most of their build gonna be shown on Lawless channel, but it's a lot of stuff that's still not gonna be shown, and only gonna be shown in the BCG Hangout. Cause I mean, we can give y'all a little bit, but just can't give you everything. You know, you can't give you all the little secrets and stuff. But Meech, it's coming back, man, step by step. We got the headers on. I don't know what they're gonna do next, cause you know we gotta do the ring. We got all the stuff. The ring gonna be totally new, which make me think I need to call Moser. I'm about to do that right now. I need to call Moser, go ahead and order them axles, and get new axles on the way. So we need to do that. And man, I've been kind of torn, cause I could change it back to a small Chevy boat pattern, but I already bought a spindle that changed it over to a big Chevy boat pattern, 5x5, and I got 5x5 wheels. So I'm gonna go ahead though and make it 5x5. I'm gonna keep the boat pattern the same and change it up front and change the rotors and all of that, cause y'all know we got this stuff. But I'm gonna call Moser. I got to order axles, and I got to order the dry shaft. I got to order the big aluminum dry shaft and all of that. And you know, we're gonna get this thing going. And we got to get the clean Camaro over there too. Get the shifter and stuff put in there. New shifter. But we're gonna get this joker back going, man. It ain't gonna be long. It ain't gonna be long, man. We're gonna have some fire in the hole. So them headers, boy, they definitely, them jokers look good on there, man. Them headers look good. Boy, that Camaro over there is, yeah. But yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned. Like I said, getting y'all the update on Meech, and we got some more stuff going. Y'all know been making moves and all that, so I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we back. I was over here, man, straightening up R&B, cover the car covers and all that, man. I straighten everything up. But yeah, listen, we shake, rattle, and roll on Meech. Man, Meech coming, man. My boy Jesse, the Lawless crew, they getting it in, but them headers look so good on there, man. Jesse was telling me, I saw the comment too. He said some people thinking they were Lemons headers. They're not Lemons headers. Lemons headers are great. I like Lemons headers, but I couldn't have got them in as timely as a manner as I would have liked. So they hookers or whatever. Cause this the motor before the motor. So the way it gonna run, it gonna get down. Don't get me wrong, it's gonna get down. But this ain't the real deal Holyfield, like the heavyweight. This ain't the heavyweight. What's gonna really be in there. So you know, to keep that in mind. And when the real heavyweight get in there, I probably will. Ain't no problem in it. I am going to Lemons. But by that time, I'm waiting on parts anyway for what I'm doing. So I mean, everything will be everything. Then I talked to Jesse, and he said next week we can go ahead and throw these on. So I'll be dropping all R&B, and they're gonna make the engine bay look better too, cause we'll be putting these pretty things on with much bigger tubes, 1.25" primaries. So we'll be putting those on and going to 3-inch exhaust, much bigger exhaust, and going to the muffler. Let me show y'all the mufflers. I don't think I ever took them out the box. Let me see. I didn't. I never even opened them to look at them myself. Let's see. So this what's going on here. The Flow FX mufflers. Let's open these. Let's crack these open. And I'm gonna keep my 50 series Flowmaster. Before people start asking, hey, you wanna sell them? No, I ain't selling them right now. If these sound good and I'm pleased, they'll be for sale. If I don't like the way these sound, then I'll be keeping. So right now they ain't for sale. We got to see how these sound first. I got a feeling I'm gonna like the way they sound though. I know people be asking, man. Then I got a little something I gotta figure out with brown coat too, with a shifter situation. Which I tell y'all about that in another vlog. Cause this a little secret. I got a little surprise going on with that. But let's see. Flow FX, little sticker. Got a little weight. Got a little weight to it. Alright. Boy, them kids, boy, they would love to get some of this bubble wrap. Shit, what's over here, bro? They bigger than I thought. bigger than I thought, man. Let me see. Oh, they pretty. Hold on, man. Let me take this out. Joker here pretty. I know I got y'all. Hey, the construction. Bad, y'all. Oh, these Joker pretty. Boy, if they sound like they look, I'ma like these. Them Joker, they're pretty, boy. I think, let me see. Let's look in the inside of the chamber. Kind of a straight through, got baffles and holes in. They constructed way different than the inside of a Flowmaster. Flowmaster got them chambers, like triangles and stuff, make the sound bounce off stuff. These right here straight through, but got holes in it. Got holes drilled in, so it sound, it's crazy, man. This Joker is pretty, boy. Look at that. I like that. So, just said we can drop it out next week. And I can't wait to put these on, man. 3-inch inlet, 3-inch outlet, offset center. So, like I said, you go offset center, it make it easier. Especially when you're doing turn downs. I already know I'm gonna turn down off this. That's why I got an offset center. Now, if you going over the red, I think it works better if you got offset. So, what does that mean, Jay? Offset mean over here. If you got a muffler where inlet, outlet, or vice versa, just flip it, offset. Then you got offset, center. And then you got center, where it will put it right here, center. So, you know, them the way, if you see that, man, when you buy your mufflers, that's for people that don't know. So a little educational class on that. But we going to turn down to get your offset center, man. You'll be on the game. You'll be in the game. If you're going over the ring, get your offset most of the time on these older cars, these G-bodies, boxes, and all that. And it just make the exhaust shop job a lot easier. But I can't wait to check these out right here. Next week we ought to be hearing how it sound, but I know it's gonna sound better because it got bigger header, gonna have bigger exhaust, and bigger muffler. This is a much shorter muffler than the 50 series, man. So that we got planned, man. So we got shaking. Y'all see Meech said it's just another update video, man. Hey, y'all see how I am? I've been cruising slow motion. I've been slow motion on for the time being, but keeping y'all updated. But just know it's gonna be smoke in the city, cause I got a new car. Gonna be smoke in the city. It's gonna be a whole slew of content. I got video playing. Then when Big Dolo come back, I got a whole slew of content coming. I got some moves being made on Meech. I'm finna make some moves on Brown Coat. Finna go ahead and order some stuff. So just know we gonna have smoke in the city. And y'all let me know once again, man, on John Jones, man, if you want in on the contest, just put I want in or something down there, man. I'm gonna get a tally of how many people really want to do this. And man, we get 250 people, man, we're gonna roll with it. So, and then somebody will get a nice ride, man. So yeah, that's it. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.